You went through here and you ran straight down.
Okay.
6877. That's going to be westbound through the wash right now. It's going to be between the wash right between 90 and 59.
He's still wearing the same clothes.
What was he wearing? White t-shirt?
Cap, white t-shirt, his jacket's in his hand. I even have pictures of him from yesterday on camera.
Okay.
He just has his jacket off.
Same one, 45 Brandford Street, 459.
He has his jacket off in his hand. Okay.
Hey, we know you're laying inside the bush line. Come on out. If you don't, we're going to use less lethal weapons. It can hurt you. 40 millimeter, or even some gas. Right there. We know you're in there. Come on out. Down in the helicopter sergeant. Come on out. Get a 40 above where he's hiding. Just to get his attention. If this goes, you're just going to shoot right through this top fly up that little ridge line?
Yeah, right around this.
Yeah.
40.
Hey, that was a 40 round millimeter soft bullet. If you don't come out, we're gonna use it again. You may get hit with it. It's not gonna feel good. Come on out. There's nowhere else to go. The top of the hill has officers. The bottom, the sides, the big's up. At least make some noise. Let me know you're all right.
Okay, we're good to go. So again, 2 canisters into that little ravine. So stand by. Oh my god, my sweat my eyeballs. Can't even see. Here, so we're gonna put 2 in. Let me know if it's kind of exactly where you think it might be. Maybe go a little bit to the left, Josh.
I see his head right up there. So right in this direction right here. His head just popped up. He's going up. Oh, that's a top. Okay. Watch out! Rock! Watch yourself. Hold on.
Oh, that's close, man.
Whoa! Stop throwing rocks!
Can you get that big bag up there? Get eyes on him?
Stop throwing rocks or you're gonna be shot!
Right in. Good shot. Can I help you out of here? But you gotta do everything I say. You understand?
He's something holding me. That was good.
Coming
Looks
up.
like he's flying.
Coming up.
Where's the knife, dude?
There's no knife.
You got no knife on you?
Good job.
Alright. Trying to
Give me that hand.
Alright, buddy.
Alright, man. Lay down your hip.
Oh, my rib. They shot me with a thing and my rib's broken.
No, that's when I need to climb in first.
What's
Sit up here. Alright, man. We're gonna have you grab a seat right here, okay? Come on, let's get you grab a seat.
Hey, are you on?
Alright. I'm just gonna check you for weapons, okay? You got no knife or nothing?
No.
What's this in your pocket here? What's this in your pocket? What's this? Yeah, knife.
On my right, I don't have a harness.